One thing I've noticed about driving around Edinburgh, I'm not saying it's just Edinburgh, but the roads leaves a lot to be desired. This is probably the smoothest part of road we've actually come in contact with since we've got here. It's a little kind of a dual carriageway.
Take the B92
but the roads here,
toward Queensferry,
wow, a little bit on the bumpy side. But we're heading to a different location now, and we're on our way to Forth Bridge. And hopefully that's going to be a nice panoramic shots there, fingers crossed. Another location, another cool spot. I'm here at Forth Bridge Viewpoint, where it gives me both bridges, or should I say 3 bridges. You've got the 2 that's over here, and then you've got the rail bridge that's on this side over here. Fantastic spot. Little kind of a small harbour here with a few boats in it. Seems pretty isolated. So I think there's only one thing I can do here to get a decent shot. I'm in the shade now at the minute because the sun is pretty harsh at the moment. But I think there's only one thing I can do. As I normally say, what is that? Oh yeah, the drone shot. Wow, I have to say that was cool. Come on. I was trying to, my heart was in my chest, beating in my chest there on that last bit of the drone footage. There was a train coming over and the battery was running out. I wanted to return to home and I cancelled it. So I was running out of battery and I was waiting for the train just to come through. I just caught it at the last minute, but yeah, wow. That was cool, come on. As I always say, getting the drone out, happy days. Fantastic spot. Now where else do I go? You know, it's funny, only before I actually hired the car to get to here, I probably wouldn't have got to this location. So this is just such an added bonus to be able to visit locations like this. So I'm glad I did hire the car. From what I'm looking at the bridges here, I don't know, I'm going to try and see if I can get a panoramic shot on it. It's so cool. Maybe just bring the camera that way a bit, as the light's on me. But such a cool area, and the bridges are so vast to be able to see them in their entirety, and I couldn't have asked for a better day. The sun is a little bit harsh, but it's absolutely beautiful. You can see for miles. The only thing is, I'm carrying so much gear. I've got so many things out and about. Thank God there's not too many people here. The sun's a bit bright there now. But what an area. Really couldn't ask for better. So yeah, I think if you're coming to Edinburgh, apart from the nightmare of parking in Edinburgh city itself, just having that access to be able to jump in the car and come to a location like this, fantastic. Worth it, worth every penny of it. I'm glad I brought all my gear with me. I'm going to go into the shade now. Really enjoyed that. Look at that bridge. How cool is that?
Vlogging camera.
Sorry?
Is that what they call a vlogging?
A vlogging camera it is, yeah.
Yeah, DJI, because they make...
the drones, yeah, I have the drone there as well. I'm only after having it up, I just took it down as well too, so I got the whole bridges. It's just fantastic. It was starting to get low on battery, you know, and I didn't want it to come back. I was waiting for a train actually to go across the bridge, but I got it back safe.
A few years ago, I was up in the Highlands walking, and one of the guys had a drone,
yeah,
and it would follow us.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah,
it's right. Yeah, it does that as well.
Well, as you can see, this conversation did go on for some time, and I would just not shut up. But it was an absolute pleasure to meet such a gentleman while I was out visiting the Queensferry crossing. That just made the day that extra bit special.
So I've just met one of the locals here, and this is Bill.
Yeah.
Hi, Bill.
Hi.
Good to meet you. One of the locals, and showing me the area and giving me all the tips and tricks around the location where I've just met.
Especially if you go to Glencoe. Or the Cairngorms, all good.
That's where I'm going to have to definitely go.
Yeah. Okay.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah.
Wasn't that nice? That was Bill. Just had a stop, had a bit of a chat. One of the locals said I'd just give him a look into the YouTube channel. Very nice guy, very friendly. It's nice when the people do stop and are curious. And he is a fellow photographer and actually follows all the guys I follow as well too. So it was nice to catch up. Really cool. Thanks, Bill. Really nice to catch up with one of the locals there. Just while I was having a chat with him, he also said it'd be nice if there was a little bit of mist just here along the water, just on the edges of the bridge would be cool. But I still can't complain with this weather today. It's absolutely perfect. Really couldn't ask for better. I'm just going to see if I can get one last shot, then I'm going to hit the road again. I just have an idea of this section of the bridge is just here. I want to see if I can get it. I have the 70 to 200 on. Might be the wrong lens. If I can get the camera out. Yeah, got it out. There's a train coming across, so I might be able to get it. Let's see if I can capture this. Just dead center. Just on the bit that's over here. I'm gonna try and see if I can get the train coming across it. Should be coming anytime now. Zoomed right in. Go for the upright of it. See if that's any good. Get the train going over. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. What a location. Got some great shots. And even the drone. Yeah, so happy. So happy. Yeah. I think I better head back to the car. I'm being a photographer and I do a bit of YouTube vlogging as well too.
Yeah.
So it's all for that.